Hi guys, so this is the Fun2Learn Bear in the Big Blue Houseboat kiddie ride. I'll just put the camera down here. I don't know why the sun is flashing still, but yeah, let's go.
Please press the start button.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Get a tour over there, I've already filmed. Y'all thought about Nori next. I'm not doing one ride. I'm not sure. I think I might. It's a storage, to be honest. I guess. Have Fun2Learn in 2003 or 2002. I'm not in Jim Hedison. Yeah, of course I will bear. Why won't I? How much you think that bear? I mean, what the hell makes you think that bear? So yeah. Get this pip and pop there. And this bear. Yeah, it looks better with the lights on, to be honest. If you ask me. Get the scoop going off. I don't know why that's flashing. I might ask I don't know, someone else. Yeah. And also Fun2Learn Bear in the Big Blue House kiddie ride.